Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to give OneDrive access to another user. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account credentials to access your OneDrive. This is a straightforward login process that will get you into your dashboard where you can manage all your files and sharing settings. Once the login process completes, you'll be directed to your OneDrive dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll find the gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon serves as your gateway to all the important OneDrive configuration options and settings that control how your storage works. After clicking the gear icon, a settings menu will slide out from the right side of your screen. From this menu, look for and click on OneDrive Settings. This will take you to a more detailed configuration page where you can adjust various aspects of your OneDrive account and permissions. Now, within your OneDrive settings page, look at the left-hand menu panel. You'll need to click on More Settings to access additional configuration options that aren't immediately visible in the main settings view. This section contains some of the more advanced features and administrative controls. Within the More Settings menu, you'll need to locate a link that says Return to the old site settings page. Click on this link and a new browser tab will open up. This redirects you to the classic OneDrive settings interface, which is where certain permission controls are still located. Microsoft maintains this older interface for specific administrative tasks that haven't been fully migrated to the newer design yet. Once the old settings page loads in your new tab, look through the available options and click on Site Permissions. This is the area where you can control who has access to your OneDrive content and what level of access they have. It's an essential tool for collaboration and sharing your files securely. Now, to give access to another user, look at the top portion of your screen. You'll see an option called Grant Permissions under the Permissions tab. Click on it and a permissions window will appear on your screen. This window is where you'll specify exactly who should receive access to your OneDrive. In the permissions window, simply type in the email address of the user you wish to share access with. Make sure you enter the correct email address to ensure the invitation goes to the right person. Once you've entered the email address, click on Share to send the access invitation. And that's it. You've successfully granted OneDrive access to another user, allowing them to view or collaborate on your files depending on the permissions you've set. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.